Okay guys, it is Saturday night, and tonight's episode is going to be a little bit different. First, I was going to do Jaws because it's the 50th anniversary of that movie, but it's been such a long, crazy, busy month so far, and I haven't had time to dedicate to like the trivia and the 10 things that I love about that movie. If you haven't seen on my other channel, I was invited out to New Jersey to film the Spirit Halloween flagship store to kick off the 2025 season. So that is basically where all my time has been going the past couple of weeks here. But then I realized that the brand new, remake of the Naked Gun movie with Liam Neeson came out yesterday actually. So then I got that one in my head. So I jumped on Amazon and I ordered it on 4K. Now I have not seen this movie for so long, so I couldn't even begin to tell you what my favorite things are about it. I just know that it is hilarious. It's one that I used to actually rent from the video stores all the time, this and the Airplane movies. Leslie Nielsen is in this, Priscilla Presley. I think OJ might even be in this one, or that might be in the sequel, I'm not sure. But I thought, you know what, let's just make this a normal movie night. We're gonna watch The Naked Gun, and we're gonna make some nachos tonight. Because if I would have gone to the movies to see the brand new Naked Gun, I would have got nachos. Nachos are so easy and delicious, so let's do this. Naked Gun and nachos. All right, before we go shopping, let's just go ahead and look in here and see what we have that we can use. We have this queso melting cheese, Mexican-style melting cheese. I think we'll use that. I do have Velveeta here, and sometimes I like to use that and mix it with Rotel, but I think we'll just use the other kind tonight. All right, let's see. I like jalapenos, too. Is this jalapenos? Yeah, we got some sliced jalapenos. Not a whole lot, but probably grab another jar of those. I need to get hamburger, maybe chicken, I'm not sure yet. Probably some, shut up refrigerator, taco seasoning, unless I have some over here. Do I have some? Sometimes we have a bunch. Okay, I guess we'll need some taco seasoning. I need to get chips. Apparently we have an onion around here somewhere too. Nachos are pretty simple. All right, are these onions? Yeah, we got some onions. We're good with that. Look at this, I still have a bunch of Capri Sun Moon Punch from when we did E.T. Okay, Giant Eagle. I think I'm gonna go with this kind right here. 75% lean, 25% fat, because that stuff tastes delicious. All right, let's see. We need some kind of taco seasoning here. You know what? Let's just go with Ortega. We're going to get 2 packs here. Oh, we're starting to see the Halloween cereals. All right, let's not get off track. We need tortilla chips here. Halloween candy. All right, let's see. So we got Tostitos down here. We got Giant Eagle brand down here, but wife said no generic. Must obey the wife. Look at this little guy, a treat pop like a ghost. Okay. We got On the Border Fiesta style. Those look pretty good. Ooh, look at these. Wait, look at those. We got the blue chips there. Xochitl tortilla chips with sea salt. Yum. I bet those would be delicious, but since I've never had them before, I'm not going to go with them tonight. I've never had this kind either. All right, let's just go with the On the Border Fiesta size cafe style. Ooh, I almost forgot the jalapenos. Look at this. We have hot and we have medium heat. I think I'm actually going to go for the medium. I do like them hot, but I like to eat a lot of them. Okay, so let's get all this stuff ready here. We have our big bag of nacho chips, Ortega seasoning, jalapeno peppers, big old slab of meat. Here's our other jar of jalapenos, just so that we don't waste those. And we're gonna use that quesadilla Mexican melting cheese. And this is one thing I love about nachos. They're so easy to make. We're just using these simple things here, and you can do this for about 20 bucks. All right, let's get our skillet here. This is a lot of hamburger, so I'm only going to use about half of this. However, it's also a high fat content, so this will really cook down. Like if you were using this to make hamburgers and you made them like this big around, by the time they cooked, they'd be like this. Yeah, that's a big slab of meat there. We're going to use about half of that. Yowza. The rest of that in the Ziploc for later. Okay, while that's starting to cook, we're just going to get a jar here, our 2 packs of taco seasoning, put a little bit of water in there. Each of these actually calls for like 3/4 cup, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to use both of them in this little bit of water I got here, and that actually is only a half of a cup right there. That'll give it a little bit stronger of a taco taste. If you water it down too much, it just, well, is watered down too much. I'm just using a fork to mix this up. Mix it up with that water in there. Okay, I gotta drain this first, and then we're gonna mix the flavoring in there. Okay, yeah, get this mixed up really good here. We're gonna leave it on the heat for a minute too, so that flavor cooks into that meat. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so over here on this side, we're gonna get out a couple of plates, grab our Fiesta chips here, and just lay a bunch of them out on each plate. Okay, so we got a healthy dose of chips on each of the plates. Our burger is just about ready over there. The next thing we're going to do is put some cheese on the chips before the burger, and then we're going to put cheese over top of the burger too. I like a lot of cheese. And then back to the cheese. Okay, so before we put anything like the jalapenos on, and you guys can use like onions, black olives, whatever you want, we're just going to use jalapenos, the meat, and the cheese on our chips, that's all. But first we're going to stick these in the microwave just to melt the cheese a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is colossal. Okay, so I stuck that in the microwave for about 1 minute. You can see the cheese has melted nice. And remember, we got 2 layers of cheese. It's chips, cheese, meat, more cheese. Next up is the jalapenos. Oh man, look at that. How incredibly delicious does that look? All right, let me get a little taste test here. Oh man. Oh, look at that. We gotta get a jalapeno on there. There we go. Look at that. Oh, smells so good. Mmm. 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 That is so delicious. Easy, quick, pretty cheap, so delicious. All right, I'm gonna finish up my lady's nachos here and call her. We are gonna kick back, enjoy some nachos, and watch The Naked Gun. Shh.